how to change your Monzo password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you are going to do is simply open your Monzo application, or you can get through your monzo.com, and then from here simply make sure that you're logged into your account. What you can do is simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner here, and what you can actually do is simply log into your account, right? So you can actually get into your personal or business, and then from there you can simply log into your account. And after successfully logging into your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile picture or settings, and then from there you can actually get into security or change PIN or password, right? So in here you have to remember that Monzo primarily relies on the magic links or PIN. So if setting an app log or the web login password, update it under the security settings and then verify it via SMS or email code. So make sure to keep that on mind, and after doing all of that, you will now successfully be able to change your Monzo password step by step. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.